Let us solve this quadratic equation today. The quadratic equation which is given to us is x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x minus 3 by x minus 4 equal to 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So let us take the LHS and take denominator x minus 2 and x minus 4 as a product into the LCM, and in this way x minus 1 will be multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction x minus 4, and similarly x minus 3 will be multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction x minus 2, which is equal to 10 by 3 into the RHS. Just simplify, just expand the brackets. Okay, the first bracket will be expanded as x square minus 4x minus x plus 4, and the last two brackets will be expanded as x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. And into the denominator we have the two terms x minus 2 and x minus 4. Just expand those also, and in this way we will be having this step, right? Now you can just add the like terms together. So x square plus x square will be 2x square, and minus 4x minus x minus 5x minus 3x minus 8x minus 2x minus 10x plus 10 is divided by x square. Here also minus 2x and minus 4x will be added, and this will be minus 6x plus 8 equal to 10 by 3. Now just you can see, when you can with 3 just cross multiply, 3 will be multiplied with 2x square minus 10x plus 10, and similarly x square minus 6x plus 8 will be multiplied by 10, just cross multiplication, right? Here you can see 2 can be taken as common, so in this way, and 3 will be multiplied. So taking 2 as common and multiplying the LHS by 3, we will be having 3x square minus 15x plus 15 into the LHS after taking 2 as common, and into the RHS we have 10 times x square minus 6x plus 8, and from 2 this 10 will be divided in 5 times, right? So the LHS will be 3x square minus 15x plus 15. 3x square minus 15x plus 15 is equal to 5x square minus 30x plus 40. Push all the terms to the RHS. Why? Because the 5x square is greater than 3x square. So 5x square minus 3x square, just assemble the like terms together. Okay, and in this way we have minus 30x plus 15x together and plus 40 minus 15 together. So this will give you a quadratic equation 2x square minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. Just expand the middle term minus 15 as minus 10 and minus 5, which will give you the value of x as equal to 5 and 5 by 2.